Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start now, call emergency services and file a missing person report. Get the report number and investigator contact. While on the call, list the person's last known location, time, companions, medications, and vehicle details. Simultaneously secure phone, email, and social media access, or at least timestamps. These create an immediate timeline. Once done, collect recent financial transactions and receipts to confirm movements. Make sure to document who has keys, cars, or access to the home before proceeding. Now expand the search. Coordinate volunteers into sectors and assign leaders. Provide maps, radios, and photo ID so searches are efficient. While teams move, request phone carrier assistance for last known cell tower pings and enable location history on linked accounts. Check recent social posts and messages for clues and collect nearby surveillance footage from businesses. Keep a request log. Once done, notify hospitals, shelters, and transit hubs, and circulate a clear dated photo with contact details to amplify responses. You wrap up by centralizing all evidence, case file with report numbers, witness statements, timestamps, and media releases. Keep daily briefings with the lead investigator and involve legal counsel to prepare subpoenas or request search warrants if needed. Also contact victim services for support and documentation. If progress stalls, reassess digital gaps, look for deleted accounts or devices, and re-interview witnesses with fresh questions. Finally, consider targeted media pushes or a modest reward to prompt new tips. Troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.